Today, I'm going to be talking about 9 high-paying methods to make money. There's money to be made everywhere, and you only need to take 3 steps to get involved with it. Write down your goals on a piece of paper, put a plan together as to exactly how you will achieve them, and finally, take action. A lot of the methods I'm going to suggest to you today are ones that I've personally used before to make money, and also ones that I've paid other people thousands of dollars to do this. So let's get right into it, and the first method on today's list is freelancing. Freelancing has been getting lots of attention over the last few years. I believe it's a really good way to make money online because it offers endless opportunities to make a substantial income. With freelancing, you can do many things like being a graphic designer, a writer, a programmer, or a social media manager. There's many websites that you can do this on like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. These provide a platform where you can get lots of clients worldwide and start selling your services. So how can you make money with freelancing? Let's dive in. The first step is obviously to choose a niche or find out what you're good at. Figure out something that you would enjoy doing that you would also be good at. So maybe in my case, that would be video editing, so I would only focus on offering services in that area. This would help you stand out because of the competitive freelancing market. Next, you would want to create a professional portfolio to showcase your work. This helps you demonstrate your level of skills and level of work to potential clients. Make sure to include samples of your best work and highlight your achievements. And for example, if you're using a platform like Upwork, when submitting a proposal to clients, make sure your bids are competitive by researching the market rates for your services and pricing them accordingly. What I mean by that is simply just highlight your skills and show how you can add value to a client's project. And finally, once you land a project, make sure that you deliver high quality work on time. This will also help you build a good reputation and earn positive reviews, which is of course good for attracting more clients and growing your network. The second method on today's list is e-commerce or dropshipping. A lot of people still seem to think that dropshipping is oversaturated, but that's basically the same as saying that there's too many online businesses. While that may be true, that doesn't mean that you can't start your own dropshipping store and start making money online. Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to sell products online without having to carry the weight of holding physical products yourself. You can easily set up your online store using a platform like Shopify, which I'll leave a link for down below. And to source profitable products, you can begin by using basic suppliers like AliExpress. With effective marketing strategies and customer engagement, it's still very possible to scale a dropshipping business and make a large amount of money per month. To start making money with dropshipping, you would need to first begin by finding a product to sell. You can do the product research yourself, or you can use a product research tool that I've mentioned before called Mania. After finding the product, you will simply set up your store using Shopify. Then you will need to find a supplier for your products with fast and reliable shipping. And finally, you will need to either use organic traffic or paid traffic to start marketing and getting sales. The third high-paying method on today's list is a somewhat unique one, and it's called matched betting. This is a legal and risk-free way to make money from bookmakers' promotions. It's a mathematical technique that allows anyone to make money online by converting bonuses offered by the matched betting websites into real money. First, you will need to understand the basics of matched betting. It involves placing bets on both sides of a sports event to guarantee a profit, regardless of the outcome. You can use an online tool called NinjaBet to find the right bets and to calculate your profits. NinjaBet is a platform that provides all the necessary tools to do matched betting. So they essentially provide video guides and step-by-step tutorials on how to do this. They also have a tool that compares odds between bookmakers, as well as a tool that makes all the calculations for you. So just to clarify, NinjaBet is not a bookmaker themselves, and you cannot actually bet through them. They will, however, help you get started with matched betting the right way so that you don't mess up and lose money. I would recommend starting with small bets and slowly making them bigger. It's important to manage your risk and not to bet more than you can afford to lose. As you gain experience and confidence with matched betting, you can increase your bets and profits. And by using NinjaBet, which I'll leave a link for down below, you can make at least an extra $1,000 a month. When you're using that website, make sure you keep an eye on the promotions and offers from bookmakers. They regularly update their promotions, which NinjaBet also helps you keep track of. And you can take advantage of them to maximize your profits. So make sure you stay informed and take advantage of the best opportunities that NinjaBet can present to you. Or you can even find them on your own if you'd like, but I'd recommend using this tool. If you get into matched betting, you need to stay organized and keep records of your bets, profits, and expenses. This will help you track your progress and identify your most profitable strategies. It will also help you stay in control of your matched betting activities. So guys, this right here is the NinjaBet website where you can actually get started with matched betting, and they even offer you a free trial on the top here, and you can earn your first $100 without any commitment. And you would get a pretty good idea of how matched betting works and how much money you can make with it. And also, if you're confusing this with gambling, matched betting has nothing to do with gambling, since by its nature of calculated bets, it does not carry any risk. It actually consists in applying mathematical rules that eliminate the risk that's associated with gambling. So if this money-making method is of any interest to you, I'll leave a link down below for it, and you can even just get started with a free trial to see if it works for you. The fourth method on today's list to making money is starting a YouTube channel. Now this can either be a channel where you appear and build a personal brand of yourself like I'm doing, or it can be a faceless channel like a cooking or a gaming channel. YouTube has become a gold mine for content creators to make money. If you have a passion for creating videos and you want to build a large audience that follow you, then this is the way to go. There are so many different ways you can earn money through a YouTube channel. Firstly, by ad revenue, and this is just the basic way of making money when you get monetized. Secondly, you can make money with sponsorships, which will come naturally as your audience grows. Thirdly, you have affiliate links or merchandise or even selling your own digital product. There's endless ways to make money through a YouTube channel, which is why it's my favorite method on today's list. However, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and consistency, especially in producing high quality content while maintaining a good quantity. As for getting started with a YouTube channel, I'd say it's probably the easiest method out of all 9 mentioned in today's video. First, you will need to choose a niche or a topic that you will start making videos about. I'd recommend the finance, real estate, or tech niche because they pay the most in terms of ad revenue. And then all you have to do is invest in good equipment, plan your videos, and create valuable content. The 5th method on today's list is online coaching. Online coaching has become a popular way to share your advice and help others and make money online. But how can you actually get started and monetize your coaching services? The first step to making money with online coaching is choosing your coaching niche. Think about your skills, knowledge, passion. What can you offer as a coach? It could be business coaching, life coaching, fitness coaching, or anything of that nature. Once you've chosen your coaching niche, it's time to build your coaching business. Identify who your ideal clients are and what problems you can solve for them. Then develop coaching programs that provide value and address the needs of your target audience. Determine your pricing strategy based on your skills, market demand, and competitive analysis. And once you've got all that down, build a website that showcases your coaching services, testimonials, and credentials, and then use social media networking to spread the word about your coaching services. And finally, I recommend providing free valuable content. Things like videos or webinars to show yourself as a professional and attract more clients. When it comes to actually delivering your coaching services, you have several options. You can offer things like one-on-one coaching, or you can do group coaching, or you can create your own online courses and sell them as a digital product. You will need to find what works best for your niche and target audience. Overall, this is a good way to monetize your skills and experience while helping others. Method number 6 on today's list for making money online is trading stocks. Trading stocks can be a good way to make money, but it's important to understand the basics and have a solid strategy in place. To begin making money with stocks, you need to understand the stock market. Learn the basics of stocks, how they are traded, and the factors that can affect their price movements. And subscribe to financial YouTubers to stay updated with the latest financial news and market trends. And of course, having a trading strategy is crucial for success. You need to create a plan that includes your investment goals, risk tolerance, and trading approach. Decide on the type of stocks that you want to trade, such as long-term investments, day trading, or swing trading. This money-making method involves risks, and it's important to manage them effectively. Set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Diversify your investments to spread the risk around, and make sure you avoid emotional trading decisions. And if there's one thing that I learned from my trading mentor last year, it's to keep learning and improving your trading skills to minimize risks. Using technical and fundamental analysis can help you make better trading decisions. Technical analysis is where you study stock charts and patterns. Fundamental analysis involves analyzing a company's financial health and their status in the future. Combine both of these approaches to make the right, less risky trading decisions. So as you can see, stocks can be a profitable way to make money, but it does require knowledge and skills, and most importantly, a disciplined mindset. The 7th high-paying method on today's list is real estate. This one probably requires the most startup capital to get into, but it can also be one of the highest return on investment methods from today's list. Real estate is a great, well-known method to building wealth, but it's important to understand the fundamentals and have a solid strategy in place. Investing in rental properties can generate passive income through rental payments from tenants. Research potential properties, consider the location, demand, and potential cash flow. Financing options, property management, and maintenance should also be considered for successful rental property investing. Another way to get into real estate is by flipping properties. Flipping properties involves buying undervalued properties, renovating or improving them, and selling them at a higher price. Research the market, identify undervalued properties, create a budget for renovations, and sell for a profit. Timing, budgeting, and market knowledge are your best friend in being successful at property flipping. If you don't want the hassle of flipping properties, there's also wholesaling real estate. Wholesaling real estate involves finding off-market properties, then putting them under a contract and assigning the contract to another investor for a fee. You will need to research and build a network of potential buyers and sellers. You will also have to negotiate good deals and market the properties to other investors. Wholesaling can be a low-risk and high-reward strategy if it is done correctly. And even if you don't like any of these ways, there's also real estate investment trusts, or some people may know it by its shorter name, REITs. REITs are a way to invest in real estate without owning physical properties. They are companies that own and manage income-generating properties, and investors can buy shares in these companies. You will have to watch YouTube videos and do research on different REITs, consider their performance, dividends, and risks. REITs, or real estate investment trusts, provide diversification and ease of investment. Method number 8 on today's list is a popular yet a great one, and it's called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services from other companies. The first step in affiliate marketing is to choose a niche, which is a specific topic or an industry. Do your research and select a niche that you're passionate about and has a demand in the market. This will help you create engaging content and attract your target audience. Building a website or starting a YouTube channel is essential for affiliate marketing. Create high quality and engaging content related to your niche, like video tutorials or product reviews. Then you will need to drive traffic to your website or channel through SEO or social media marketing. Joining affiliate programs is the next step. Many companies offer affiliate programs that allow you to promote their products or services and earn a commission for each sale or lead generated. Join reputable affiliate programs that align with your niche and audience. For example, an affiliate program I'm associated with is Shopify, and all I have to do is put my Shopify affiliate link in the description whenever I make a video about dropshipping. Creating high quality and valuable content is important for successful affiliate marketing. Focus on providing value to your audience through honest and engaging content. Speaking of your audience, build trust with them to increase your credibility and conversions. Optimizing your affiliate marketing strategies for conversions is super important. Use call to actions, attractive banners, and persuasive methods to encourage your audience to click on your affiliate links. Test different strategies and track your performance, then optimize your content for better conversion rates. The final method of making money on today's list is flipping items on online marketplaces. Flipping items is the art of buying low and selling high, and it can be a great and fun method to make money, which I actually used to do a couple of years ago. The first step in flipping items is to find profitable items to buy and sell. Look for items that are in demand, underpriced, or have potential for improvement. You can find these items on online marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, or Facebook Marketplace. I personally recommend Facebook Marketplace, but there's still many other places to find good items, even in local thrift stores, garage sales, and clearance stores. Once you've found a potential item, it's important to look at its condition and value. Look for any defects, damages, or missing parts that may affect the item's value. Look up the item's current market and selling prices on the online marketplace to determine if it's worth flipping for a profit. When it comes to actually buying items for flipping, be strategic in your negotiations. Bargain for a lower price, bundle items for a better deal, or look for discounted items during clearance sales. Remember, the goal is to buy low and increase your profit margins. Once you have your items, it's time to list and market them for sale. Take high quality photos, write detailed descriptions, and use keywords to optimize your listings for search. Share your listings on social media, create eye-catching titles, and offer competitive prices to attract potential buyers. And from there on out, it's basically just rinse and repeat. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe for more valuable content. And make sure you watch the next video that popped up somewhere on this screen.